ago I bought full set of Truma diesel to Chinese copy, good price, very good price. It was the cheapest configuration, it means cheapest setup, no Wi-Fi, internet ready, etc. Just cream. So what we have in a box, I take out combi itself from the box because it was too big and too heavy to carry on the loft. And let's check what we set inside the box. Of course, the most important manuals, and of course I get the heating duct. It's left inside the van right now. What we have here, they claim so this is like a full set, so okay. Panel, meter wire. I asked about 3, we got 6 for a panel. What are inside this box? More what we have. Okay. Okay, this is like a fuel pump. I don't know what's that. I have to read the manual first. This looks like clips. This is like a harness and bracket for fuel pump. Temperature sensor. Oh, with wire. Okay. Okay. These manuals. Packing list. Here. Okay. My quality checker came. Oh, my quality checker. Come on. Come on here. Leave this back. So what we have here is a fume outlet. I will open it in a minute. And what we have more, air inlet, air outlet, some for this. What is this? I don't know. This is like a fuel line, and this, I don't know, I have to check my glove first. Few outlets, this expensive stuff because it's from 10 to 12. Dump valve. What's that? I suppose so. This is like a really full set. The price was very good because the price was 1,600, so 1,600 for it. For me it's a good price, even a very good price. It's comparable to it's comparable to Chinese copy, so I think it's okay. Okay, and what we have, this is should be black, because I asked about black. Yes, it is. So what we have here is full output. Okay, right now what we have to do is we have to read the installation manual.